Hey guys, welcome back to another video of Techavro. Hope you guys are having a great day. In this video, I'm going to show you how can you clear cache and cookies on iPhone. So to clear cache and cookies, just go to your phone settings, scroll down and you will see this option Safari. Click on Safari. Again scroll and here you can see clear history and website data. Click on it. You can customize your history time, which period of time you want to clear, and after that just click on clear history. There is another way to clear cookies and cache on iPhone. Just go to your phone storage. Just go to general at first and click on iPhone storage. You can choose any of these to clear cache, just like I'm clicking on this. And here you can see delete app. Just click on delete app. Just delete this app and reinstall it again. By this, the cache will be cleared in this app. You can choose one by one the apps you want. So guys, that's how you can clear cookies and cache on iPhone. Hope you find this video helpful. If you find it helpful, then give a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe Techavro. Thank you very much for watching the video.